Okay. Hello, student. Good morning, everyone. Today we will read another lesson, that is the second lesson of the Hive, part 1, the sound of music. And here are the meaning of some difficult words like hospital, ruffling, slide, vibration, cycling, compan, rounding, cycling, driving, drama, aspiring in musician means emerging musician, work, profoundly, intensely. The way would say, noticing, paying attention, counsel, I, appeared in this view, appeared, became, go, piano, a type of musician, a type of musical instrument, percussionist, the drum or the table player, the person who can play the drum or the table. So write the word meaning written on the blackboard. Getting everything clear? Hello, Manu. Is anyone getting me? Is anyone listening to me? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So write the meaning. Write the meaning. थोड़ा सा आवाज थोड़ा ऊंचा करें. क्या? वो बाहर बोल. हाँ.
अब जा रहा है वीडियो क्लियर?
ठीक है सर. Is everything clear? Is everything clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So write the meaning. Okay, right. Are you writing?
Yes,
Are you
sir.
writing?
Yes, sir.
Complete. Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Anyone from the boy side? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Have you written? It means you all have written down. Okay. Let's go through the lesson. Yes, student. The lesson that we are going to read, that is the sound of music, reveals the fact if a person is determined, if a person is devoted, to his goal or her goal. Not even a single obstacle can create problem for him or her. If you are determined to achieve something, and if you are laboring hard honestly and moving on the right path, not even a single disturbance can create any problem for you. This is what this relation teaches us. The title of this relation suggests that the lesson is related to music. And music is something divine thing, or a gift of God on nature to us human beings, which not only removes our relaxation, tension, but also refreshes us, giving divine peace to our soul, to our body, to each and every organ. And these days, it is said that music is being used as therapy to treat a number of diseases, even every disease. We here have been related to music since the first week. Music was introduced in our country. Music, we the Indian think music a kind of medication, which needs not only great efforts, but also determination, devotion, and dedication. Unless having these qualities, that is devotion, dedication, and determination, no one can learn a single beat, a single note of music. There are different types of music all around the world. There are different types of music that the world has. But as far as music, Indian music is concerned, we the people of India divide the music into two categories. First one is called classical music, and second one is called folk music. Again, classical music is divided into two parts: Hindustani music and Carnatic music. These are the two types of Indian classical music. These are the two types of Indian classical music. And the music to learn with a learner needs determination, devotion, dedication, along with hard labor. If one wants to make his or her career, or if one wants to make one career in the world of music. Coming to the main theme, that is, if a person is determined, devoted, and dedicated towards his goal, not even a single obstacle can create problems in his or her path. This relation that we are going to read. Yes. But there was a girl of 17 years. There was a Scottish girl of 17 years. Less than her age. Along with some difficulties, that is, she was completely deep. Still, she learned the music. She learned to play musical drums. Sensing music in all throughout his body, her body. She could sense the music, not only in her heart, she could, but also on the tips of fingers, but also the entire body organ. Means that see the devotion of that girl, how she was devoted towards learning the music. The story of that Scottish girl, a girl of Scotland, who became deaf at the initial stage. Carelessly heal this problem, but ultimately she became completely fit. But she desired to become a musical. She desired to play some musical instrument. And when she made her mind to do this, she achieved her desire, fulfill her need. How this happened is, see, while going through the nation. Perhaps here is the very first paragraph of the relation that we are going to read. Every Glee listens to music without hearing it. First paragraph says that rush hour crowds jostle for position on the underground train platform. A slight girl, looking younger than her 70 years, was nervous yet excited as she felt the vibration of approaching train. The prestigious Royal Academy of Music in London and daunting enough for any teenager raised from a Scottish farm, but this aspired on the train platform on the underground platform of railway. People were pushing each other to make space for them. A little girl, of course, 70 years old, but looking less than her age, was nervous, but she was excited too, as she could feel the coming train.
Hey,
As it was the very first, yes, as it was her very first day, very famous, prestigious Royal Academy of Music in London. She was frightened. She was fearful enough. As it was her first time, this teenager who belonged to rural Scotland, an emerging musician, and she was ready to face the huge challenges moreover, with her drawback, that is, she was completely deaf. No. The first para says that there on the stage one could find a girl of 17 years who was looking less than her age. The performer was excited, but little bit nervous too. She could sense and she could feel the vibration of coming train. The performer was nervous too because it was her first day at the very famous music institution of London called the Royal Academy of Music. But fearful enough as she was the only teenager of Scotland, rural Scotland, who got this rare opportunity, as she was an emerging musician and was ready to face a huge challenge here with her drawback, that is she was deaf. म्यूट कर दिए
आकाश में हॉस्टल से
हाँ बोलो
होस्ट आकाश में
Okay.
गुड्डू कौन है? म्यूट करो खुद को।
आकाश म्यूट कर दो सबको। Okay. The second para says, that Evelyn Gleaning's loss of hearing had been gradual. Her mother remembers noticing something was wrong when she was 8 years old. When the 8 years old Evelyn was waiting to play the piano. They called her name and she didn't move. I suddenly realized she hadn't heard, says Isabel Gleaning, the mother of Evelyn, the mother of Evelyn, the musician. For quite a while, Evelyn managed to conceal her growing deafness from friends and teachers. But the time she was 11, her marks had deteriorated, and her headmistress urged her parents to take her to a specialist. But then discovered that her hearing was severely impaired as a result of gradual nerve damage. They were advised that she should be fitted with hearing aids and sent to a school for the deaf. Everything suddenly looked black, says Evelyn. The second para says that her loss of hearing occurred very slowly. Her mother recalls that one day she noticed something wrong in her daughter when she was 8 years old and she was ready to play the piano. The family member called her name, but the girl didn't respond, didn't move. Then her mother suddenly realized that she hadn't heard. Her mother admitted this. For quite a while, for a long time, or for some time, you may say, the girl Evelyn managed to hide her growing deafness from her friends and teachers due to the embarrassment, due to the sense of embarrassment. The girl began hiding her drawback from friends and teachers. But when she was 11 years old and found that her performance in study or at study was damaging or affecting badly, it means her marks was getting low. Her headmistress called for her parents, and the lady advised her parents to take the girl to a specialist. Reaching to the specialist, it was discovered that the girl's hearing was severely impaired due to the damage of nerve. Again, the parents of the girl were advised to take the girl or to fit the girl with hearing aids and the girl should be sent to the school for study. Suddenly, everything became black for the girl, and it was Evelyn herself admitted. Moving to the next paragraph. So, moving to the next paragraph. So, we are seeing that how difference occurred to her and how the first paragraph says that it says something about her first performance, million performance on a platform of an underground railway, which was packed with different type of people who were fighting to make the space for days. And the girl, due to hard labors, the girl got admitted her name in the prestigious Royal Academy of London and got a chance, real chance to perform herself with her shortcomings. And second para says that how her difference was noticed by her first wife, her mom later when she was taken to a specialist. It was the specialist who disclosed the fact that the girl had become completely dead. And this type of shortcomings generally blocked the paths of a common person. But those who are fully determined, who think to do something special in their life, those who are fully determined, devoted towards their dream, not even a single obstacle can create any problem for them. So let's move towards the other paragraph. But Evelyn was not going to give up. She was determined to lead a normal life and pursue her interest in music. One day she noticed a girl playing a xylophone and decided that she wanted to play it too. As the para says that Evelyn, the girl, was not discouraged with the mishap, with the drawback, with the shortcoming that had stepped into her life. The difference that occurred in her life, she didn't want to sit idly, living her life like a disabled girl. She wanted to do something. She didn't want to accept the defeat. So she made up her mind to do something. She made up her mind to lead a normal life and make her career in music or encourage her interest in music. One day she found a girl playing a xylophone, a type of musical instrument, and decided that she wanted to play it too. She made up her mind to learn how to play this musical instrument called xylophone, which she found a girl playing. Most of the teachers discouraged her, but percussionist Ron Fox spotted her potential. Learning music with this type of drawback was really an impossible task. It appeared really an impossible task even for a couple of teachers or for some other person. And these type of teachers started discouraging her. But there is a saying, there is a hope. There is a will, there is a way. Where there is a will, there is a way. You heard this proverb. Where there is a will, there is a way. So soon, Ron Fox, a musician, a player of drum or table, spotted the ability of learning music in the girl. Ron Fox appeared in her life as godfather, the sensible person, the very first person who found the ability of learning music or emerging as a musician in this girl called Evelyn. And he began tuning two large drums to different notes. He brought drums and began to tune them to different notes and asked her to listen sound of the drum through the different parts of her body. It means that he desired, the great musician Ron Fox advised the girl to sense the music, to feel the music, not to listen through the ears. This great percussionist, that is drum players, advised the girl to feel the music, not to listen it through ears. Who said try to sense it some other way. Say again. Suddenly I realized I could feel the higher drum from the west up and the lower from the west down. Fox repeated the exercise, and soon Evelyn discovered that she could sense certain notes in different parts of her body. I had learned to open my mind and body to sounds and vibration. The rest was sheer determination and hard work. Evelyn herself admits that the word, the instruction, the advice of Ron Fox, with the advice, she began sensing the music. And she could feel the beat of higher drum from the west up and the lower beats of the second drum from the west down. That is west up. She felt the sound of the drum from the upper part of the body from the west and the lower beats of the second drum under the waist of her waist body. Fox repeated the same, and soon the girl discovered that she could sense certain notes in different parts of her body. That means it was the encouragement of Ron Fox. It was the hard determination or self determination of the girl. It was her desire to learn how to play that musical instrument. It was her passion. Enabled the girl to sense the music in her body. And the rest was fully dependent on her determination and hard work. So you have seen that how this girl, wonderful girl, even with shortcoming, began sensing the music in her body without listening to it. As her ears were unfit to listen to any sound, so it was not possible for her to listen each and every bits of music. But she could realize it. She could feel it. She could feel it. And feeling the sound in our body fully depends on your determination, concentration, dedication, devotion, etc. Whatever you say. It means one has to open up the heart, the gate of the heart, to grab, to accept all these divine things very honestly. It is the girl's concentration. It is the girl's concentration that enabled her to feel the music, in different parts of her body without listening it. So this is all. Only 5 minutes are left. So let's let's get some. I'm going to give you some questions. So write the question. First question. Question number 1. How old was a balloon? When she sank to the Royal Academy of Music. When was her deafness first noticed? Second. When was her deafness first noticed? Third one. How old was she? How old was Evelyn when her deafness deafness D-E-A-F-E-N-E-S-S D-E-A-F-E-N-E-S-S deafness was noticed for next. Why did the girl conceal her deafness teachers and friends. Second one, who was Isabel Green. These are the questions that you will have to solve. These are the questions that you will have to solve. That's all. Okay, come. तो class ends here. पूछो तो लिख लिए.
सब सारे क्वेश्चन लिख लिए हैं.
Yes, sir.
क्वेश्चन लिख लिए हो? हाँ?
Yes, sir.
क्वेश्चन लिखी हो? हाँ?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Class ends here.